In this stressful world, we all need to learn to relax and unwind. Frequent massage can help relieve stress and tension. In this series, we will teach you different massage techniques to do at home, without professional equipment. Using just your hands to help yourself and loved ones relax body and mind. Our massage videos are perfect for beginners. We will walk you through basic massage techniques step by step in easy-to-understand language. You'll learn head massages to relax tight necks and shoulders, foot reflexology to stimulate body pressure points and relieve overall fatigue, hand massages to soothe aching arms. Massage not only helps the body relax, but also builds relationships with friends and family. Our videos will teach you how to massage each other, deepening friendships and family bonds. Regular mutual massaging can alleviate daily stress, making you feel cared for and supported. Join us on this journey of massage learning, spreading the gospel of relaxation and wellness to yourself and loved ones. We will cover common massage techniques from head to toe, so you can apply simple methods to help relax the body and mind of yourself and others. We believe massage benefits not just the body but also promotes harmony between people. In this series, you'll find massage is so simple and effective.